Today we will show how to buy shares of ROLR Technologies Inc., a company focused on advanced gaming and entertainment hardware that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ROLR. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ROLR to find ROLR Technologies Inc. Confirm the correct NASDAQ listing in the results and open the matching entry. On the stock page, review the brief company description and the price chart to see recent movements. Double-check the ticker ROLR and the NASDAQ exchange to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is placed. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example link to eToro in the description below.